In late May 2023, as nearly 1 billion Indians were voting in marathon elections, a photo claiming to show new rail development in India by the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP was widely shared on social media. One of the key promises made by BJP during the India elections was the expansion of the railway network in the country. However, the photo in this post is of a train in Singapore, not India. To see where the image really came from, first, I did a reverse image search on Google. I found a post from 4 years ago. It was published on a stock image platform and the tags used with the picture included Singapore and Jurong East. I reached out to the Singapore-based photographer Sean Ang. He said that he had taken the picture of Jurong East MRT station in Singapore on November 6, 2020. Next, I did keyword searches and reverse image searches in Google and found a similar looking photo published in a Singapore-based news site Asia One about the Singapore Mass Rapid Transit SMRT submitting applications for a fare increase. The photo in the false post was altered to remove the SMRT logo. Finally, to confirm the location, I tried to find the Jurong East MRT station using geolocation. In the search bar, I typed in Jurong East Station, Singapore. From the list of options, I chose the address that read Jurong East MRT NS1 EW24. On the bottom left of the screen, I clicked on the layers option and chose the satellite view of the maps. By clicking around, I found the railway tracks in Google Maps imagery are similar to the tracks visible in the false post image. See more fact checks on our website and on YouTube.